Check it out, boys and girls. We're getting our floor truss system arriving. Okay, so they gave me a laminated sheet. We're gonna start with, see, it's like this. We'll start with F1, that series. Set them over there. Looks like that is full length. The pink spacey, that indicates the beginning of, or this part where there's an arrow. me show you what we've done up here now on the roof. I have all the subfloor down, 3/4 inch OSB. I use some FastFlash on every seam just to prevent too much water damage while it just sits here. Now, this is not an approved use of CAT 5, but I'm going to use Prosoco's R-Guard CAT 5 now to also put a nice little cover on top of this whole thing. And what's going to do is going to protect it from rain. So I got to go ahead and, what does it say, stir it for 3 minutes. Then I'll roll it on. Of course, it's going to be not something that has a warranty because it's not meant to be walked on, for one. It might be slippery when it gets wet, but it will protect it while I get my walls up and then roof. So here we go. This is looking good. This is the day after. Everything is dry and I now have plenty of protection if it should rain while I'm setting up my sips. Yeah, this is a good idea. Now, it did cost a little extra, but I happen to have more CAT 5 laying around. This 32 by 28 minus that little opening there for the staircase took 3 gallons of CAT 5. All right, boys and girls, that's it for the subfloor video. We got the floor truss in, we got the regular OSB, and then finished up with some FastFlash and Prosoco R-Guard CAT 5. So this should have plenty of protection now while I go ahead and get, if you look up there, second floor going of the structurally insulated panels, or SIPs. So that'll be in the next one. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you. Cheers.